Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your OPPO ENCO AIR2 Pro with PC. And to do this, we'll need to open a start and look for the Bluetooth on our PC. Make sure that you have one, and here it is, Bluetooth and other settings. Now click on Add Device, select Bluetooth. Now open the case with your earbuds, make sure that both of them are inside, and then they should enter pairing mode. Now you can click on the OPPO ENCO AIR2 Pro to begin pairing. When you see the connected voice and music, your device is successfully paired. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.